Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Now you are listening to Islamic and Scientific Research YouTube channel, The Diary of Students. I am Abdullah Al Miyad with you with various information of Islam and science. Our topic today is the created world really divided in seven sky? So, let's get started. The Quran states that our universe has several levels, but in reality this universe is made up of trillions of galaxies and billions upon billions of stars. There is no such thing as seven layers. But why this kind of untrue information? Many people claim that the seven layers mentioned in the verse refer to the atmospheric layer of the sky. But in fact, there are 5 air layers on the surface of the earth. It has been said in Quranul Karim, Sura Nuh, ayat 15, "Do you not see how Allah created the 7 heavens in layers?" The smallest part of the universe that mankind has ever been able to grasp is a very small part of the entire universe. Not only that, the universe is expanding. How can we say that we are not have a defined idea of the range? It does not have 7 layers. If we come to the general argument, then we can say that the space of any volume can be divided into 7 or any numbers on the basis of certain measure or quantity. So, the statement space is not divided into 7 levels is theoretically wrong. The complainant want to point out that there are no 7 skies within trillions of galaxies and billions upon billions of stars in space. This is also a wrong argument. It is clear from the verses of Quran that the 7 levels of sky do not refer to any stars and galaxies. The level of the sky means the area or space of certain volume of the sky. There may be stars, galaxies, or other objects in a single layer or space of a certain size. Suppose there are 7 drawers in a cupboard. There are 20 pens in each drawer. That means there are 140 pens in the cupboard. Someone started saying, there are 140 pens in this cupboard, so it cannot have 7 drawers. Can a rational person accept the words of this person? Atheists also have a lot of argument like this. The Quran speaks of 7 levels of sky. Atheists have used stars and galaxies to disprove this. Considering all the visible universe and its outer part, the Turkish astronomer Haluk Nurbaki has divided the whole universe into 7 levels or parts. These levels are: first, the field of space that is made up of the solar system represents the first sky. A magnetic field has recently been discovered around the Milky Way. This vast field of our galaxies represents the second sky. Third, the local cluster celestial fur of galaxies represents the third sky. Fourth, the central magnetic field of the universe consisting of galaxies represents the fourth sky. 5. The cosmic ring, which represents the sources of light waves coming from far away, represents the fifth sky. 6 number. The expanding field of the universe represents the sixth sky. 7 number. The outermost field, indicating the boundless infinity of the universe, represents the seventh sky. These layers of the sky cover an unimaginable space. The thickness of the first sky layer is approximately 6.5 trillion kilometers. The second layer, the diameter of our galaxy is 130,000 light years. The expansion of the third layer is 2 million light years. The fourth layer is 100 million light years in diameter. The fifth layer is 1 billion light years away. The sixth layer is located 20 billion light years away too. Needless to say, the seventh level extends to infinity distances. The purpose of mentioning this information is not to prove that these 7 levels are the 7 sky mentioned in the Quran. I myself do not think that these 7 levels are mentioned in the Quran. The sky, personally, I think that human knowledge has not yet crossed the first sky. Allah, the great creator, knows very well which parts of the universe form the 7 sky. This stratification is shown here only to indicate that the whole space can be easily divided into 7 parts by considering the visible space and its outer part. Therefore, it is not possible to disprove the information mentioned in the Quran with any logic and science. On the contrary, those who have tried to extract wrong from the information of 7 sky in the Quran have basically expressed their ignorance. Many refer to the atmospheric level in the interpretation of the 7 sky. This is basically a misinterpretation because it has been said in the Quran, Sura Nuh, ayat 5, and we have certainly beautified the nearest sky with stars and have made from them what is thrown at the devils and have prepared for them the punishment of the blaze. This implies that we are clearly talking about an area of space where there is luminosity, not to mention the atmosphere here, because there is no such luminosity within the limits of the Earth's atmosphere. So the 7 sky do not mean the atmosphere at all. You have been listening to Scientific and Islamic Research YouTube channel, The Diary of Students, for so long. I am Abdullah Al Miyad, have been with you for so long with various scientific and Islamic researches. If you like my words, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any ideas, questions and comments, write in my comment box. But inshallah, I will see you again in my next video with different information of Islam and science. And if you want to listen to me in Bengali, please follow my Bengali YouTube channel, The Diary of Students, Bangla. Please recite the Quran, establish the prayer and stay with me. Assalamu alaikum.